Welcome to the new Annual Reviews website. In this quick video, we will highlight some of our new search features. You'll find the quick search box at the upper right hand side of the page, and of course you'll find the main search box at the center of the page. As you enter a search term, you'll notice the autocomplete feature, which will become more useful as you run more searches on the site. Let's hit enter to run our search, and you'll see one of the great new search features. Search is now broken out into different categories based on content type. The default category is journal content. Then we have figures and tables, people, supplemental material, general information, which is general site content, and lastly, multimedia, our audio and video materials. From the search results page, you can of course go to the top and run a new search, but you can also refine your search in several different ways. One of the methods is the search facets on the left-hand side of the page, where you can refine your search by publication, author, publication date, keyword, and article type. You can also use the Refine Search feature. From here, you can add additional specific terms or even add specific journals. To do this, simply start typing the name of the journal and select it from the list that appears. In this way, you can select multiple different journals to search within. Then click Search to run the refined search. Any filters you have applied will appear at the top of the page. You can choose to reset all or remove a specific filter. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find these features useful.